Alright guys, I have started recording and I want you to type present quickly in the chat box if you can hear me. I will mark attendance later based on this. Type present right now in the chat box if you can hear me. I'll give you 1 minute. Only got it from 12 people so far. I should be getting it from 15 people. Do not type any other message as of now, just type present. Okay, I see everyone has typed that. So let's move ahead. Okay, I trust everyone has typed just once. Okay, let's move ahead. So what we saw, recording has started. Kya? Huh. Okay. What we saw in the video. Okay, I'm just going to quickly run it. Okay, there is some confusion here, and I understand that there is reasonable. Okay, this confusion is reasonable. Okay, but here we are spending this half an hour, 40 minutes around to explore this a little bit more. Okay. We in the video I talked about. Just give me 1 second, guys. Okay. Okay. So what we saw was that the value of any trigonometric ratio does not really depend on the length of the sides, and that it changes if the angle changes. Okay. Now I am here to what we are planning on this class right now. The objective is to just explore this understanding a little bit in depth. Okay. Now, before we start that, I want to hear from everyone on a fist to five range. Okay, how do you feel about whatever you understood in the video? Okay, whatever we understood in the video, fist to five, where you are. Okay, be honest about that. Type that in the chat box. Rizal is at 4. Okay, Hemanji is at 4. Okay, Ganesh also at 4. Nisha is somewhere lost. Okay, Dilruba is at 4.5, 4.5, 4.4. No one at 5, no one feels 5. Hemant MG feels 5. Okay, Dikshit feels 4. Deepak feels 4. Abhi, Shripriya, okay. All right, so little bit we are feeling that we are getting it, but what? Maybe not completely. Okay. Riza, I want you to unmute and so that we can talk here.
Okay.
Riza, Tulsi, you can mute yourself. Okay. Riza, tell me, where are you losing what your understanding is? Like, which part of it? Is there some particular place you would like me to
Yes,
go in depth, or the whole thing? Go ahead, Riza.
sir, from this sine 30 will be some numerical. From there I lost.
Okay. Let's take this particular 30 degree. Okay. Now let's take a triangle. Let's take a right triangle. We're taking theta as 30. Okay. This is theta. We're taking this as 30 degree. Okay. Now, Riza,
Yes, sir.
if I have another triangle which is similar to this, okay. If I have another triangle which is similar to this, I can just extend this and make right, like I made in the
Yes, sir.
video. Yeah. It's the same rays I'm extending. Yeah. Here also theta is 30 degree.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what I mean here is if I take ABC or AMN, okay, in triangle ABC, okay, in that triangle also sine 30 degree is equal to is in that triangle sine 30 degree is equal to BC by AC. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. In place of theta, I am directly writing 30 degree, and that's the reason. Let me write theta first. Okay. Sine theta is equal to BC by AC. Okay. In triangle AMN, also sine theta also only is there if I take angle A. That is equal
Yes,
to MN by AN. Yeah.
yes, sir.
Okay. Now what it means, what I'm trying to say when I say this sentence, that sine 30 will have the same numerical value in whichever right triangle you were to take. What I actually mean, Riza, is let's for a minute forget that there is this bigger triangle. Let's just think of the smaller triangle. Okay. Suppose this is 5, this is 10, and this is 12. Okay. And in the bigger triangle, let's think that this is 7.5. Since it is similar, I'm just multiplying with 1.5. Okay. this is 15, and this is 12 into 1.5 will be 18. Okay, I'm not writing the unit. There will be some unit, of course. Just think whatever unit, favorite unit you have. Okay, now Nishchay, hold on. Okay, stay with me here. Yeah, now in triangle ABC, all right, in triangle ABC also, this sine theta will be equal to BC is 5 by AC is 10. Okay, AC is 10. All right, that's equal to 1 by 2. Okay, in triangle AMN also, sine theta will be equal to MN is 7.5 by AN is 15, that is equal to 1 by 2. What I mean here is, what I'm trying to show here is, now the value of what sine theta will be depends on what the value of theta is. Okay, Dinesh, stop annotating the screen. Come on. Like bacha log only you're doing. Okay.
Sir, mistake is sir, sorry.
Sorry, Parani. Okay. Now, what is the value of theta? That will determine the value of sine. By this, what I mean is, sine theta is 30 degree, right? So sine 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2 in triangle ABC also, and sine 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2 in triangle AMN also. In fact, any triangle you make in the world, okay, any right triangle you make, does not matter, okay, how much ever big you want to make, you make. If this is 30 degree, then suppose this is K, this will be 2K, suppose whatever this length is, okay, this is say 25 centimeter, this will be 50 centimeter only, okay, and sine 30 you will get as 25 by 50 equal to 1 by 2 only. Okay, any triangle you make in the world, if any right triangle you make, if this is 30 degree, Riza, okay, if you take sine of that, you will get 1 by 2 only. That's what I'm trying to say here. Riza, yeah, go ahead. I want to hear what you're feeling.
Sir, like you're trying to tell that if you take any triangle, sir, but if the sine theta measures 30, I mean that if the angle is 30 degrees, sir,
Correct.
at that time sine of that angle will be always 1 by 2.
Correct. Perfect. Yes, Riza.
Okay,
very well said. Okay, much better said than what I was trying to say. Yes, you are right, Riza. Any right triangle you take, okay, it is shaped like, it is sitting like this, it is sitting like that, does not matter. This is 30 degree, this is opposite, this is hypotenuse. You go and take this sine 30, you will get same 1 by 2 only. You take right triangle like this, okay, this is 30 degree, opposite by hypotenuse, or not, this is not hypotenuse, sorry, opposite by hypotenuse, okay, you do that calculation, you will get 1 by 2 only. So what I'm saying is, length of the side does not matter, but the angle matters. If I change from 30 degree to 31 degree also, Riza, if I change from 30 degree to 31 degree also, then this triangle is no longer similar to this triangle. And hence, the ratio you get by doing opposite by hypotenuse, that ratio you will get it as a different number. So your sine 31 will not be equal to sine 30. It will be some different ratio. Both will be less than 1, but the ratio will be different. Dinesh, yes, Dinesh, that is not coming. I want you to focus in the discussion right now. And right now, I want to hear how everyone is feeling on a 1 to 5 scale. Yeah, and I want to hear right now how everyone is feeling with on a 1 to 5 scale. Say, Riza is at a 5, she says. Go ahead. I want you to be honest, guys. It's okay if it's a little confusing, but I want to hear from you how you're feeling. Yeah. Good, MG. You are right that what you have typed is right. Yeah. Dikshit is still processing. Bindu is at 5. G is at, okay. Take some time. Okay. Take some time, guys. Yeah. and think about it later also. Yeah. But right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you what happens because of this. Okay. Now, because each angle, whether sine, if I take sine 0 degree, if I take sine 10 degree, if I take sine 80 degree, if I take sine 90 degree, okay, if I take sine 45 degree, okay, all of these will have one constant value and it has already been calculated. We only have to by heart, okay. It has already been calculated, but the thing is, all of these have one fixed value. Your if can you if do you have calculate if you're using your tabs, or if you have your Android phones, can you open calculator? Can you open calculator if you have if you are able to open? I want you to give me a thumbs up on screen if you're able to open calculator. Yeah, now I don't know if every one of you has this or not, but see if there is a, so in my case now I have an arrow in the corner. This arrow I have, when I click on that, something opens up like that. So it's advanced mathematical functions. It's not just plus, minus, into, division. If you do that, I'm able to see sine, cos, tan also there. Are you able to see? If you're able to see, give me a thumbs up. Asghar is able to see. Dilruba is able to see. Okay, most of you are able to see. Let's see if everyone can show me. If you're able to see. Deepak, Abhi, Dikshit, Shripriya, not yet able to see. I'm assuming that. Okay. Four of you can check later. Abhi is also able to see. Okay. Now I want you to do this. Okay. I want you to type sine and I want you to type 30. Sine and then you type 30. Okay. Click sine and then you go back and type 30. You see what value are you getting? Would anyone like to unmute and speak? What value are you getting? Tulsi, go ahead.
Sir, I got some more numbers, sir. It is 5343237290762.2.
Hold it.
Sir, can you repeat what to type, sir?
I want you to select sine. Okay, first select sine, then one bracket will come. Inside that, I want you to type 30. You should be getting 0.5. Maybe in your case, Tulsi, the unit might be different. I'm not sure what's happening, but everyone in here else is getting 0.5. Or just Google the value of sine 30. You will get one single value. It should be 0.5. That's what I just told you right now, right? It is 1 by 2. 0.5 is what? 1 by 2. Sine 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Does not matter. So my calculator does not know only which triangle I'm talking about, but it knows the value of sine 30 degree because it has a fixed value. What do you feel about this now, Dikshit? How are you feeling about this now?
Better, sir. I'm understanding.
Yeah. You're getting what I mean when I say that the value of sine does not, sine and even tan and even cos and even secant, cosecant, cotangent, all of them. Okay. It does not really depend upon what triangle you're using. Okay. What is your length of opposite, adjacent and hypotenuse? No, because when you do the ratio, finally it will come to be the same value for a given angle. Okay, I want you all to find this right now. I want all of you to find tan 45 in your calculator. Find tan 45. Okay, find the value of tan 45 degree right now. Okay, and type it in a chat box. And I just want to show you that every one of us is going to get the same answer. See, all of us are getting 1, right? Tan 45 degree is 1. And I'll show you why that's happening. Okay, very simple logic. Very simple logic. Tan 45 degree is what? Opposite by adjacent. Whatever if this is 45 degree, this is 90, then this is automatically 45 degree. Since these two angles are equal, it is automatically an isosceles triangle. So opposite and adjacent are going to be equal. So tan 45 degree is equal to opposite by adjacent, but opposite is, suppose opposite is 5 centimeter, then adjacent is also 5 centimeter. It gets cancelled. You get 1. How are you feeling about this, guys? How are you feeling about this? Tan 45 degree. Can I see your reactions on screen? How you're feeling here? Yeah, it's so mind blowing, guys. So if you know that angle, if you know that angle, that opens a lot of possibilities. You know whatever triangle, whatever right triangle has that angle, what will happen? Okay, Riza, just for you, I'm repeating once again because you've asked. Okay, this tan thing you want me to repeat, no, Riza?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Riza, dekho, you saw that your in your calculator tan 45 is 1. Did
Yes.
you see that? Okay. Now why that is happening? Let me just what I was doing was just explaining why that is happening. If I have a right triangle, okay, and theta is 45, okay, if I have a right triangle, theta is 45 degree, this angle is automatically 45 degree because 90 plus 45 is 135, 180 minus 135 is 45, okay. So this opposite angle is also 45 degree, okay. If this is 45 degree, this is also 45 degree, it means that it is an isosceles triangle. So this side and this side are same. Okay, so far these are equal angles, means
Yes.
opposite sides are also equal, it becomes an isosceles triangle. Yeah, it became isosceles triangle. Now if this is theta, if tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent, that means if this is isosceles, suppose this is k centimeter, do not know how much centimeter, okay. This will also be k centimeter, okay. So tan theta or tan 45 degree will be equal to, I'm talking about this 45 degree, does not matter, this one you take, does not matter, okay. But right now we're talking about theta, is equal to k centimeter by k centimeter, k and k get cancelled, you get 1, tan 45 is equal to 1, okay Riza?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Now this particular calculation, we don't need to do every time because our calculators already have it, and for our exam purposes, we will be by hearting a set of values. Okay. So what I'm trying to tell here is does not matter which triangle you're thinking about, okay? Which right triangle you're thinking about. Because right triangle means already on this angle is you are known as theta, this angle is right triangle, this third angle automatically is fixed. So obviously any right triangle you take, if you take theta as any given value, okay, you take theta as 60 degree, then all sine 60, all cos 60, all tan 60 will have just one value, okay, and that is there in your calculator, okay, that's a fixed value. Yeah, how are we feeling about this whole discussion we have had so far? Yeah, I want to check that in the chat box. Fist on a scale of fist to 5, how are we feeling about this? Yeah. This was mind blowing to me when I first realized it, and there is a lot of applications of this. Okay. Yes, Nishchay, like I showed tan 45, I will show other values also. Okay. But right now, okay. But right now I will not show that. Okay. I will be doing that because I think Riza and Nishchay, you have class today, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because you have class today, I don't think 15 minutes will be enough. 15-20 minutes will be enough. But I'll try to show one more value. Okay, I'll try to show one more value. Yeah. Or actually, let's stop here. Okay, I'll show the derivation of other values tomorrow. Right now, I want to give you the next piece of knowledge for you guys to by heart. Okay, and this is the set of values which is going to be very, 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 very important and crucial for you to remember. Okay. I'm going to give it to you to by heart first, and we will calculate these and we will see how this is coming also tomorrow. Okay. But right now, we are all convinced that every angle, okay, so suppose if I have sine 45 degree, it will have a fixed value. We are all convinced with that. Can I get a thumbs up with you on screen? Sine 45 degree means some ratio will be there. Yeah. If right now you open your calculator, you will get one decimal value, correct? So we don't need to by heart the decimal values. Decimal values will be very difficult to keep in mind. We'll by heart the ratio, okay? Without dividing, we'll by heart the ratio. Okay, so right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to write a table. I don't see a thumbs up from Tulsi, I think, but anyhow, right now we're going to write a table, okay, which tells us, okay, value of sine for these specific angles, okay, sine, tan, cos, all of that, 0, 30 degree. I want you to draw this table, okay. First you write, so 0, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Okay, this much. Okay, theta we will take. So theta is equal to, or theta is equal to this. So what will the value of sine theta be, cos theta be, tan theta be, cosec theta be? Cosec theta will just be the reverse of reciprocal of sine theta, but nonetheless we will write it. Secant theta be and cot theta be. Okay, this table is something which we have to by heart. Yeah, and I'm just going to make this, and then maybe you can make along with me if you want, or I'll share this also later. Okay, right now just make along with me. And there will be a lot of patterns which will come along when we by heart this. Okay, and we will see all those patterns slowly. But right now, just stick to what I'm telling you. Okay, right now, what we need to learn from today's class is that now I'm giving only for these 5 angles, but does not mean only these 5 angles I have. Okay, these 5 are common angles. That's why I'm giving from 0 to 90. These 5 are common angles. Okay, these 5 are the common ones which we need to by heart for passing 10th class. Okay, you need it for 11th and 12th also if you take maths. But every angle, sine 1 degree, sine 1.5 degree, sine 0.001 degree, all of this will have one value. Okay, you can check right now in your calculator. All of these will have some value. Okay, but we don't need to by heart those. All right, so let's get started. Sine 0 degree, okay, is 0. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. We have already seen that. 45 is 1 by root 2. Please start filling your table. Sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2. Sine 90 degree is 1. Cos theta, I'll tell the reason to you later. Okay, cos theta is just, we are going like this. No, same thing, you just write ulta. Okay, just write ulta in the opposite direction, and we will come to the reason in another class. Okay, why that happens. Okay, so cos 0 degree is 1, cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2, cos 45 degree is same as sine 45 degree, 1 by root 2, because opposite and adjacent are same. So opposite by hypotenuse and adjacent by hypotenuse become same. Cos 60 is 1 by 2 and cos 90 is 0. Okay. Tan theta, tan 0 degree is 0. Tan 30 degree is 1 by root 2, 1 by root 3. Sorry, 1 by root 3. Tan 45 degree is 1, tan 60 degree is root 3, and this tan 90 degree, some people say it infinity, but for our purposes, we'll write not defined. Okay, and we'll come to the reason of why it is not defined. All of that we'll be discussing in the next class. Yeah, cosec theta is not defined. 0 ka reciprocal. 0 ka reciprocal is sine theta is equal to 0, then cosec theta is equal to 1 by 0. What is 1 by 0, Dikshit? 1 divided by 0. What is 1 divided by 0, Dikshit?
0 only.
1 divided by 0 is 0. Wow. Dilruba?
Sir, not defined.
Not defined. 1 divided by 0 is not defined. We have studied this so many times in so many ways. Okay. So cosec theta is not defined here. Okay. MG, you're raising your hands. Want to add?
No, sir, same thing.
Okay. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. What cosec theta will be? MG, you want to answer? What cosec 30 will be? MG, you want to answer? MG is not able to speak. I'll go to Deepak. Deepak?
2 by 1.
2 by 1. Or you can just write 2. Okay. Tell me, Deepak, can you complete the cosec line for me? Deepak, can you complete the cosec line for me?
Sir, root 2.
Root 2. Because this is 1 by root 2. This will become root 2. Okay. Continue.
Sir, 2 by root 3.
2 by root 3. Very good. 2 by root 3. Continue.
0, sir.
1. Okay. 1 by 1 का reciprocal क्या है, Deepak?
1, sir.
1 by 1 का reciprocal 1 है. Okay, very good. So cosec theta is equal to cosec 90 is equal to 1. I'll go to Manisha for secant theta. Go ahead, Manisha.
So 1.
1. 1 by 1 ka reciprocal is 1. Okay, continue.
2 by root 3.
2 by root 3. Very good.
Root 2.
Root 2.
2.
2. And this one,
Zero.
Manisha? When you take reciprocal of 0, what do you get?
So 0.
Hey, now only we talked about this.
Sir, 1, sir.
0. Okay, any fraction normally has denominator as 1. Okay, if I take reciprocal of this, it will become 1 by 0. Can 1 be divided by 0? Can any number be divided by 0?
No, sir, not defined.
It is not defined. Okay, you remember the question, distribute 1 chocolate among 0 students. How much does each student get? Does this question make sense? You
No,
remember
sir.
this discussion 100 times we have had?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you following? You remember why it's not defined?
Yes, sir.
Take 5 divided by 2 means 5 chocolates divided into 2 students. Each one gets 2.5. Take 2 chocolates divided by 1 student. Each student gets 2 chocolates. Take 10 chocolates divided by 0 students. How much does each student get? That question does not make sense. This is not defined. We could hear this is not defined. Any number divided by 0 is not defined. We good here, Manisha?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is not defined. Okay. Now quickly for cot theta, who can tell me? Cot theta, who would like to tell me? Riza, go ahead.
Sir, not defined.
Not defined, very good.
Sir, root.
Because this is 0. Okay, tan theta, tan 0 degree is 0, then cot 0 degree will be not defined. 1 by 0. Continue, Riza.
Sir, root 3.
Root 3, very good, because I'm taking reciprocal of 1 by root 3. Very good. Continue.
1, sir.
1 by 1 is 1 only. Continue. 1 by 1 reciprocal is 1 only.
1 by root 3.
This will become 1 by root 3. Very good, Riza. 1 by root 3. And this finally, this is not defined. This is very interesting. Riza, what do you think this will be?
0, sir.
Very good, Riza. Very good. Okay, this is not defined means something whose denominator is 0. Okay, I want to think about this. Something, there is something x by 0. When I do reciprocal of this, I will get what? 0 by something x. That is what? 0 only. Okay, that's what Riza has done here. Dilruba, you have a question? Dilruba, can't hear you, Dilruba. Type your question out quickly. Yeah, type your question out. Let me check the chat. क्या बोला रिजा? क्या बोला दिलरुबा?
Sir, I'm not able to lower my.
Sir, she is not able to lower hand.
Okay, okay, okay. मैं कर दूंगा. Okay, दिलरुबा कोई doubt नहीं था ना? Let me know in chat if there was anything. Yeah. Okay. Now this thing, this particular table which we have just written, I want you all to copy this down. Okay. I want you all to copy this down. And then in the next class, we are going to explore a few things here. Okay. We're going to spend tomorrow understanding why these numbers are there. Okay. Actually, certain numbers we're just going to actually derive, and certain numbers we're just going to think out. Okay. Why these numbers are there. Okay. But I want to leave you thinking. I want you to think and come, okay? Maybe just whenever you get free time, okay? Think about what sine 0 actually means, okay? What sine 90 actually means. When theta will be 0, how the triangle will look. When theta will be 90, how the triangle will look, okay? I want you to think about that and come. And relating to that, I want you to think about why you are getting sine 0 as 0 and why you're getting sine 90 as 1, okay? I'm just leaving that. Manisha, I know maybe you would have already thought about it. Manisha, I don't want you to answer now. Okay. Tomorrow I'll ask you the first thing. Okay. Because you raised your hand right now. If you're able to imagine this, yeah.
I actually had this question, sir. How can sine theta be 90 degrees? Sir? Because
Exactly.
there is already.
Good question, Manisha. I'm going to leave you with that thinking. Okay. That's a thinking task for today. We will come back tomorrow. Don't refer to books. Try to not Google. Okay. Try to spend this time little thinking about, okay, right triangle is there, how theta will become 0, how theta will become 90. Okay, struggle with the thought and come, and we'll see tomorrow how each of these numbers are coming. Okay, we have already seen tan 45, we have seen tan 45 how it is coming. We'll see how each of these numbers are also coming, so that we are on a very solid footing as we approach. And most of these numbers we won't even need to by heart. But for tonight, what your homework is to write this table 2 times without seeing. Okay, I know I have no way of checking whether you're seeing and writing or not. Even if you're seeing, see one line and write one line. Okay, but try to, this table has to be in our fingertips. Okay, it has to be in our memory. So and right now in an online mode, guys, I have no way of checking if you are actually remembering or not some formula or some value, right? Because if I ask you, you can easily look at your book and say. So the whole responsibility of making sure it is by hearted is on your shoulders, guys. It's not on mine. Okay, and I hope you will do that. Okay, starting from today, you're going to write this 2 times, and you're going to write the formula of sine cos, that is sin catua, sorry, so catua. Yeah, these formulae we had, you're going to write this 5 times. Okay, that's going to be your homework for today. Yeah, that's all. We're going to wrap up this class now.